I'm Dominik Endler. While I truly enjoyed my time teaching during my PhD in product marketing in Germany, actually I excel in the practical aspects of making things happen. Leading manufacturing organizations both in US and in Europe has shown me that the true challenge lies not only in having the right strategy and the right models in place, but even more so to ensure that those changes are effectively implemented and specifically deliver sustainable value for the organization. As the Chief Marketing Officer for a large international industrial organization based in Europe, I led a global team of a commercial excellence program. This role gave me deep insights to understand what is working but also what is not working in the field of commercial excellence and in the areas of my expertise such as market strategy, market and customer segmentation, account planning and management, CRM implementation, sales force effectiveness, price management, and digital and commerce. I understand that true change is only possible when people and teams are part of the journey, when they are engaged and understand their personal benefit. What's in for me? At the end, it's always about the people. I'm excited about the possibility of working with you and to address your pain points in commercial excellence, ensuring that our collaboration translates into long-lasting value for your organization. Let's make meaningful changes together.